this is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today we're working with this pattern. This is pattern 14417 on friendshipbracelets.net. I need to copy it and bring it over to our template. And let's just bring it over here. It's got such a... Let's see. Yeah, I think we can leave it right where it is. We'll use this green and make sure I'm on... Oh. Almost put it on the same layer. We want to leave it movable. So there we go. Now we've got the green and I'm on the right layer. Okay. So if we do the single one of this and then the diamond, it'll mirror perfectly in the middle. And then it just comes out. I think that's right. Oh, maybe not. Let's back this up a bit. I think it goes this way. Oh. No, it's got a bigger diamond. It goes off to the edge like that. Oh. Okay. It's so hard without the lines. I can't just count how it goes. So this one goes off to this edge like that. And then this one comes out like this. Got it. Well, I think we're going to have these be a green because I don't think there's any other possible way of doing that. This is... So this comes all the way out to the edge like that. And then the next one comes out. Right. So yeah, this green is going to get used an awful lot. This comes. And I guess the other color in this will be the gray. Interesting. So a lot of the patterns we've been doubling here are almost seem a little bit similar in some ways, but these are the ones that when I was selecting through it that I thought would be a little bit easy to show, and it would have like elements in there where we would be, you know, just trying something new, something different, and showing how the whole doubling process goes. In this case, this part here, see this green came out to the edge. When that happens, when we're doubling it, it just means you get a whole extra thing over into this side, which in this case, I think is actually going to add a little bit to the whole overall pattern, make it a little bit more interesting and fun. I wouldn't say it was necessarily an easy pattern when we started with it, but it's not necessarily any more difficult now that we've doubled it. So it is going to have some interesting aspects, I think. Okay, now I'm going to choose a different color. Let's go with this gray here. And then we're going to select by color. We're going to select our blue. Go back to the paint bucket and choose fill hole selection. And boom, just like that, it fills in everything. If I press Control A, that's all. So it's basically selected everything. And now we can get our select tool. And well, first off, let's go to the layers. Let's remove our example. Now I'm just going to line up with these. Oh, hang on. Our guideline. Keep letting it get off track. There. All right. Now back to the select tool. Okay. I get a little finicky about these things. I want the images to turn out nice. So using the guidelines, I can select the corner that we did, copy and paste it, flip tool, and flip it to the other side. We anchor that and select the whole top half. Control C, Control V. Go down to our guidelines. Flip tool. Go to the guideline. Flip it. Oop. I meant to anchor it, but I was in the wrong tool. Oh, wow. Look what it gave us in the center. It's a slightly longer version of the other bit. I wasn't sure about that one, but that's kind of cool. Hey, this is going to be an interesting bracelet after all. I'm kind of excited for it. We'll have this coming up here soon. And yeah, like tomorrow, right? Kind of lose track of the scheduling sometimes. But anyways, thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you to my Patreon supporters and my YouTube members who make this stuff possible. I think I'm going to actually make this in 2 different shades of green, to be honest with you. So I'm not sure what the background color is going to be, but yeah, stay tuned. We will get this done. I'm really kind of excited to see this bracelet. This is really interesting to me. And yeah, well, thanks for hanging out. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.